Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to pick the winner, a hidden giveaway I had for these papers I made, and they're made from vellum and using alcohol inks. And so I will leave the link to that YouTube video here so you can check it out if you missed it. But all you had to do was leave a comment. So I have put in the URL in the comment picker, random comment picker. I am going to filter for duplicate users. I am going to get YouTube comments. So we have 13 unique comments, 13 unique commenters, and here we go. Good luck. And the winner is Hey Little Missy, and she said that they turned out neat. So I don't believe I have your mailing address, so if you would like to claim your prize, go ahead and email me. My email is in the description box below, and send me your email address. I will wait a few days, because if you're anything like me and run behind on videos, I'm at least 4 or 5 days behind on videos. So I'll give it a few days. If she doesn't contact me, then we'll draw again. But congratulations, Hey Little Missy, and I'll watch for your email. Comment below, let me know you saw this. So I hope you guys are all having a crafty day. Watch for more hidden video giveaways. And, you know, for more videos like these, see here and here. And until my next video, shakas.